what's up guys for today's video. So today I will show you guys my Lego airplane. Do you know those like airplane? Yeah, I made one of those and I want you guys to actually see one of my builds. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, here it is guys. Wait, this is very fragile. So this is the windows. It has some play features like, wait, you can open it. I know you can open it, right? You could actually open it, but oh yeah, see, you can open and close it. And so here are the wings, and this is the back. And I don't know if you can actually fit a Lego person in this. I actually tried it before, but it didn't work. Well, it looks pretty good though. It has only one play feature though. Maybe I can play with this. Okay, boom. And yeah, that's it. That's basically done. That's the airplane. Tada! And if you guys are interested and want to buy one of these too, wait, I'm gonna just put it. So if you guys are interested and also want to buy one of these, you can like buy them. You can actually buy them. So yeah, this is the Lego set.
There's a draft of the new contract for the increasing rates and the immediate deficit. Again,
Just remember to find this B on the top too. If it doesn't have the B, that means it's not actually there. And if you lose one of the instructions, here it is. You can pause it if you want to. Okay. You can pause it.
Inform you immediately. Who knows if my schedule permits, I'd be able to personally visit your office room.
just set them up on the other side. Let's go.
There it is. That's the first step. Okay. That's the first. Second step. Fourth. Sixth. And goes on in the bottom. You can pause it so you can see it properly. Now here's the back. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for listening, and I hope you guys are interested in Lego sets. If you do, you should hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get notified if I make any more videos. Okay, like and subscribe. Bye.